Hey there, taxi drivers. Are you ready to take your passenger experience to the next level? Today, we're going to explore some fantastic tips on how you can use Apple CarPlay to make every ride a memorable one. Imagine your passengers stepping into your taxi and immediately feeling at ease, ready to transform your rides into five-star experiences. With CarPlay, you can make that happen effortlessly. Let's dive into how Apple CarPlay can boost your passenger experience. First, the intuitive interface makes it easy for you to access essential apps without taking your eyes off the road. Navigate smarter with apps like Google Maps and Waze. These apps provide accurate directions and help you avoid traffic jams, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride for your passengers. Get real-time updates and alternative routes. This means less time stuck in traffic and more time getting your passengers to their destinations quickly and safely. Use Siri for hands-free navigation. Just say, "Hey Siri," and ask for directions, change the music, or even send a message without ever taking your hands off the wheel. Let passengers play their favorite music. With CarPlay, they can easily connect their devices and enjoy their personal playlists, making the ride more enjoyable. Enable hands-free calling and messaging. This feature allows you to stay connected with your passengers and manage your bookings without any distractions. Embrace CarPlay and watch your ratings soar. By providing a seamless and enjoyable experience, you'll leave a lasting impression on your passengers, leading to higher ratings and more repeat customers.